We are waiting for our Uber in Mesilla, New Mexico. We're going to take an hour Uber ride to El Paso International Airport, fly to LAX, and then spend the night and hopefully get on the Shanghai flight.
Here we are.
El Paso International Airport. We are flying Southwest today. We are flying standby, so we're hoping to get on. Let's see, what do you have?
I have a backpack and my purse. That's it.
You do.
Backpack and a purse.
Here's to the start of a fabulous vacation.
What? We're not on vacation. We're just living in other places.
Oh,
On vacation.
here I thought we were going on vacation.
And on vacation.
Can't be both.
Yes, it can.
No, it can't.
Who makes the rules here? You or me?
We are in LA near the airport. This is 31st in the morning.
Let's go to Shanghai.
We got seats LAX to Shanghai.
Yeah.
In Delta One. Let's go. We've got a little window here next to each other. What do we have over
So
here?
we have here an amenity bag.
Oh, those are cute.
Those are very nice. We have
You have your
Pillow.
pillow.
we have a pad for the lay flat seat
And your
and a blanket.
blankie. Ooh, you've got some slippers.
We got slippers. Plenty of room. It's so nice.
Thanks, Delta.
There's a symbol on this shelf that says it's a charging
Oh, nice.
station. So you put your phone on it.
Got my slippers. Got my Here's to last day of the year.
Last day of the year, the first day of our trip.
Woohoo! Here's to many more days of travel in 2026. Here's my suit.
Steven.
14 hours later,
We're in Shanghai.
nice and rested.
Yeah. We're ready to go.
It's about 6 p.m., is it? I think.
Yep, that's about right.
There's our plane. Nicole Kidman? What?
What's she doing here?
Here we are in the Shanghai airport. And we thought we were going to take the metro to our hotel, but it's going to take an hour and 45 minutes. So we found this shuttle service for $50 US. That's what we're going to do. She's going to walk us right to the shuttle. So
No muss, no fuss.
first China fail. We didn't take the metro. Paid too much to get to our hotel.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we are checking into our hotel. We got the right one. Okay, do we have the right Intercontinental?
Yes, we do.
Not the one by the river.
No.
We almost had a little mishap on. I had the wrong Intercontinental.
Well, I gave
Checked
you,
on my. You
I
gave me a
I
name,
gave you a name.
the wrong name. But luckily, the taxi took us to the right place. Let's see what our room looks like. Oh, this is nice. We have a big king bed. We have a nice table there, big TV, a sofa. Let's see if we're gonna have a view. Let's see what's back here. Oh, big closet.
Nice.
A bathtub.
Nice.
What's the point? If it's a clear door to the toilet. Bathtub, shower,
Oh, nice.
sink. Okay, is there a view?
Let's see.
View.
City view.
A little bit of a city view. It's on this side. First morning in Shanghai.
Here we go. We're on our way to breakfast and then the gym.
Why?
Because,
New Year's resolution.
that's right, we're gonna go to the gym more often and get ourselves in good shape so we can do these things.
We had been doing it and then we kind of dropped off in the last
A few months.
2 months. We'll just put this.
There we
We
go.
have the key.
We have the key. It's in the little pouch. This is the hallway to the hotel.
That's so pretty. Oh, there is. So we booked through IHG because we now have IHG Diamond status. It's the highest status. So we're going to start figuring out how that works. See the perks that we can get. Oh, there's the laundry. And just start doing that. So this is our first stay. This is Intercontinental for 7 nights. So our upgrade includes, or our status includes upgraded room, which we got a beautiful big room, and breakfast. We'll see how the breakfast is. So here we are in the breakfast buffet. Let's see what we have. Grilled mackerel, cold cuts, cheeses, yogurts, cold oatmeal, watermelon juice, more juices. There's the coffees, honey. Ooh, we've got some salad stuff. Ooh, Sichuan pepper dried tofu. Yum. Shredded pumpkin with scallion oil. Got this. Got some. Full coffee, grilled chicken. Oh, now we're talking. We got rice and noodles. All kinds of yummy stuff. Mushrooms. We've got some warm cereals over here. White fungus soup. You know I'm gonna have that. And, oh look, hot soy milk. We've got all the toppings for the soup. Oh my gosh, look at that. Sweet potato, purple sweet potato, some corn, boiled eggs, and tea eggs. Look at that. get an omelet. Here's the omelet station. Beef and fish dumplings. Steamed beef buns. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's all the different. Oh my gosh. This is the noodle station right here. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Pickled chili peppers. Hello. Yum.
So what do we have here?
This is my first morning breakfast at the breakfast buffet. It's huge, as you guys saw. Of course I'm gonna have the soup every morning.
Look at that soup.
So I picked a noodle, and then you put it in the beef, and you boiled it. Then you put it in the beef broth, or some kind of broth. And I just put a bunch of stuff in it. Look at this.
Yay. And then here we have some dumplings. And some sauce that Emily put together. And it's really, really tasty. I've already had 2. I found some fried noodles and a sesame ball and some eggs and bacon.
So delicious.
So this breakfast?
10 out of 10. So we just did some stretching upstairs in the gym. Now John's checking out the weight room. How's it look? Standard stuff?
I think we can work with this.
He's got his MSC workout gear that he bought 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
We can work with this?
We can work with this.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Train me, oh master. Here we are on our first day out trying to get over the jet lag.
That's tough.
What time is it now? Like
I think it's like
3?
3:30.
Is it that late?
Yeah.
Is it?
It is. It's that late. Here's which river is this? Let me see.
So we just started walking from our hotel.
This is the Shuzhou River.
Shuzhou River.
Shuzhou River.
And what's the name of our neighborhood? It's the name of our hotel too.
Yeah, the Jing'an.
Look how pretty this is.
Uh-huh.
So we're just gonna walk along the river. By the way, it's super cold.
Yeah, it's 40 degrees, but it feels like freezing. Like 32.
Yeah. So we have our outfit on with our
You got
long johns on.
There, and hats and gloves. And
But we need more long johns. And it's so quiet when we were on the bigger streets with the
very
traffic.
quiet. Yeah,
everything's electric, isn't it?
or something, because
The vehicles are electric.
there's very little noise. Nobody's honking their horns, and the cars are super quiet.
Check out this digital mall. Kiosk after kiosk of everything digital. Wow. I wonder how much an iPhone costs here. Our first official meal in a little place right near our hotel.
Look at this spread.
We basically let her pick
We did.
what we're gonna have. Noodles,
Fried noodles and beef. This is
pork schnitzel.
it looks like schnitzel, doesn't it?
It looks like, I don't know,
Yep.
buns,
Dumplings.
soup,
Soup.
and another broth.
Uh-huh.
Look at this.